Alright, in this video we are doing meervoude en verkleinwoorde. Meervoude are plurals and verkleinwoorde is the smallest version of the word where there's no diminutives. There we go. That's the word, which we don't really have in English, but yeah, it could work. So we're gonna start with the rules of the plurals, and there are different rules. So we have different rules. So here we go. For a short vowel, a kort vokaal, gebruik ons, here we say, for the short vowel, we will double the last letter and add an E. For instance, bal, then we double it, so it's LL, and then we add an E, so balle. Okay, vir twee van dieselfde vokale, so a twin vowel, we will kill a twin and add an E. So, kill the one twin and add an E. So, skaap word skape. Vir dubbel vokale, which are double vowels, you will only add an E. So, let's look at that. For mier, mire. So we only add that little E over there. So as is eindig met 'n dubbel consonant, double consonant, if it ends, we also add an E. So serp, we add the E and it becomes serpe. A kort klank plus an F. If we look at these, let's find that one quickly. A short vowel plus the F, you drop the F and we add a double W and an E. So let's look at that quickly. So we drop the F and add a double W and an E. So straf word strave. As ons twee van dieselfde vokale het plus 'n F, so 'n double of something, a double vowel plus the F. Let's look at that. Short vowel, twin vowel plus the F. We drop the F, we kill a twin, and we add WE. So, ons drop the F, kill the twin, and add an E. So, a WE. So, kill the twin and dropped an O, kill the twin, drop the F, and add a WE. So, stoof word stove. Hier het ons iets wat eindig met 'n IE. Kom ons kyk, waar is hy? Something ending in the IE. Add ons net 'n S. So kom ons kyk hierso. Hy sie word hy sies. Only added the S there. Iets wat eindig met 'n kort vokaal, so the O, foto, is kort. Short, it's very short. Foto, there at the end, it's very short. Let's kyk wat moet ons doen met hom. Ending in a short vowel or an emphasis on the vowel, we add a comma S, apostrophe S. Yes, that's the word. I've been looking for that word the whole time. So a foto gets an apostrophe S. There we go. En iets wat eindig op 'n short A, sonder 'n klem, so without emphasis, like oma. Let's see, ending on a short vowel with emphasis on the first syllable. Is that the first syllable? We will only add an S. So, oma word omas. There we go. So here it says, leer die volgende meervoude. Learn the following plurals. Pad is a road, word paaie. Stad, a city. Stede, kind, children. A child actually becomes kinders, children. Skip, a ship, becomes skepe. So pad, paaie. Stad, stede, kind, kinders, skip, skepe. Alright, and here we have diminutives. Here we go. So the rules for diminutives, verkleinwoorde, is as follows. Twee van dieselfde vokale, so is a double vowel or two syllables. We will add a IE. Twin vowels. Oh, this is a twin vowel, right? Twee van dieselfde vokale, twin vowel. So we will kill a twin and add IE. Example, RP, which we're going to just do with this now. We're going to kill a twin, which is the second A, and add a E. So skaap word skaapie. Het ons 'n dubbelvokaal plus die R. 'n dubbelvokaal, so double vowel plus R. So we're going to add a T, for example, venstertjie. Oh, that's not right then. T-j-i, venstertjie. So, a double vowel, then we do beer and beertjie. Just say t-j-i, chi, beertjie, beertjie. Okay. Twee lettergrepe, something with two syllables plus the R. We have exactly the same rule as for this one. So that's why on this flashcard, it's together. So venster will become venstertjie. So we just add the chi, yeah? Iets wat eindig op 'n kort vokaal. Something that ends on a short vowel. Let's see if we can find it. Short vowel, short vowel. So many short vowel rules, eh? Does she specify? Just any short vowel. Let's look for it. If you can see it first, you're amazing. Short vowel. Short vowel. I think it might be at the bottom, actually. Can't see it. Anyway, so if it has a short vowel at the end, you will add apostrophe chi. Okay? Just that. A kort vokaal plus die K, P, G, S. So all the very hard consonants. K, P, G, S in one soft one. K, P, G, and S. So het ons, let's see what the rules are for that. So the short vowel plus the K, P, G, and S. So you double the last letter and you plus an IE. And plus a E. So double the last letter. So K is the last letter. So you double that plus the IE. So stok becomes stokkie. Lip, double P. And then add IE. So lip becomes lippy. Nag, you double the last G. So nag becomes naggie. Mes, double the S plus a IE is messy. Here we go. If we have a double vocal plus N, double vowel, long vowel, plus N, we will add a chi. So double vocal plus N, bien, and we add the chi, bien becomes pinky, pinky, pinky. Woorde wat eindig op 'n T. Dus kyk gou. Any word ending in a T, you will add ye. So, because it already has the T there. So, like this, you will add the chi, the T-Y-E. But here it already ends in the T, so you will only add the ye, because then it will be the same chi there. Okay. So, let's see here what the example is. So, kat word kai-chi. Kat-ye. Okay. Woorde wat eindig op 'n d. words that end in a D. Any word ending in a D, you add Y as well. So just think of the D and a T. A D and a T is kind of the same. So you will, both for them, you will only add the Y, okay? So here is hoetjie of hondjie, hondjie, okay? Just remember it like that. And a double vocal, so a double vowel. Let's see where double vowels or consonants, you will only add a E. So neus word neusie. So the double vowel, so boek is a O, is a double vowel, so it becomes boekie. Iets wat eindig met 'n dubbel konsonant, so r en k, 'n hark vir R and K. So that a double vowel or consonant is the exact same rule as for the vowel, so you would just add an IE. So dit word hark word harkie, so you added the IE. Twee van dieselfde vokale plus the M, so double vowel plus the M. Double vowel, let's say if we have it. Double vowel plus the M, double vowel, where is it? Short vowel plus the M, that's not the one we're looking for. Short vowel. Ah, it's not here. Let's see. Double vowel plus the M. You will add a P. So a boom becomes boompie. Right. A kort vocal plus the M. We just saw that one. A short vowel plus the M. You will double the last letter and add eentjie. So kam becomes double the last letter plus eentjie. Okay. So here we have dam. So you will double the last letter. There we go. And add eentjie. So dam becomes dammetjie. Let's quickly try to go through the exercise. So vir meervoude, toon word tone, kwartaal word kwartale, oupa word oupas met 'n afkappings S, so apostrophe S, muise word muisie is muisies, tennisbal, tennisballe, kloof, klowe, netbalbaan, netbalbane met 'n kort A daar. Vrugteplaas, vrugteplase, kattetoon en RSI. Talent, talente. Risiko, risikoes met 'n afkappings S, apostrophe S. Harp, harpe. Seewier, seewiere. Kerk, kerke. Ligballon, ligballonne, double S. Ag, dubbel N. Baba, babas, without the apostrophe. Hoofstraat, hoofstrate, kiletoon. 17, koraalrif, koraalrive. So cut the S and add a double W. Pa word paas with a apostrophe S. Verkleinwoorde. Barbaar, barbaartjie. Sjokoladekoek, sjokoladekoekie. Skaaphond, skaaphondjie. Droom, droompie. Foto, fotootjie. Hoenderveer, hoenderveertjie. Baksteen, baksteentjie. Risiko, risikootjie. I don't think that's it. Will stay risiko. Reistas, reistassie. Mikrogolf, mikrogolfie. Tuinvurk, tuinvurkie. Klip, klippie, double P. Boomstam, boomstampie. Vel, velletjie, double L. Man, mannetjie, double N. And you add entjie. Hoofstad, hoofstadjie. So hoofstadjie eintlik. Landsvlag, landsvlaggie, double S-I-E. Sementvloer, sementvloertjie. Stert, stertjie mikrogolf